Stop making this trading mistake. It will just give you another reason to hate yourself. Everyone likes to focus on the big ticket items like I mentioned this week, CPI, FOMC, etc. But they ignore the cluster of reports that come out from time to time, and today is one of those days. Now, some of them may not have a big impact, but when they're released together, they sometimes create a frenzy. Wall Street still cares about these numbers, especially the algos. So sometimes you might see these clusters of reports that may have contradicting information, and sometimes these clusters of reports might have a consensus. So it's really hard to tell, almost impossible to tell really, what the market's going to do. So it's best to be very aware of when these clusters of reports are coming up. So here's what they are. 8:30 is the big one. So we have jobless claims, the Philly Fed manufacturing index, and import-export prices. Now this is a mix of different data. We have jobless claims, obviously some manufacturing data, as well as prices for importing and exporting with the country. So they're different in their own way, but they could tell a different story or a mixed story. Now right after that first cluster and before market open, we have at 9:15 industrial production. This is just going to gauge the level of output from factories, mines, and utilities in the United States. After that, we have a sprinkle of Fed speakers throughout the afternoon. No other reports after that until after market close with the Fed balance sheet. Aren't you sick of getting thrown off by economic news you weren't aware of or didn't see coming? Follow TradrCal for more economic news content to keep you better prepared on what's coming down the pipeline.